Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best offerings from Jovan. The Jovan Musk Eau de Cologne Concentrate Spray for Women. If you're looking for a fragrance that blends earthy, floral notes with a touch of mystery, you're in the right place. This cologne spray is known for its captivating floral perfume accord that enhances your natural appeal. It features delicate notes of jasmine and neroli, which give it a clean and fresh scent. To balance out the floral tones, there's a warm touch of bergamot and musk, creating a beautifully rounded fragrance. If you're wondering why you should choose Jovan Musk over other options, it's because of the brand's commitment to quality and the art of fragrance. This particular scent is crafted to resonate with women who appreciate both elegance and a touch of mystery in their perfume. Now, speaking from personal experience, I find that the Jovan Musk Eau de Cologne is not just a fragrance, it's an experience. The initial burst of floral notes gives way to a warm and inviting musk, making it a staple in my collection for everyday wear. In conclusion, the Jovan Musk Eau de Cologne Concentrate Spray for Women is more than just a fragrance, it's a statement. With its balanced blend of floral and musk notes, it offers a sophisticated allure that's hard to resist. Whether you're treating yourself or looking for the perfect gift, this fragrance is sure to leave a lasting impression. If you're intrigued by what you've heard today, I've left a link in the description where you can find more information and purchase your own bottle. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews and updates from Product Critique.